In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep your Google Calendar private. If you're concerned about privacy and want to ensure that only you can view the details of your schedule, you've clicked on the right guide. By the end of this session, you will know exactly how to set your Google Calendar to private in just a few simple steps. To get started, open up your Google browser. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner where you'll see a grid icon. This is the gateway to Google Apps, giving you access to a whole variety of tools from Gmail to Google Drive, and of course Google Calendar. Go ahead and click on that Google Apps icon. Now from the drop down menu, locate and click on Calendar. This will pull up your Google Calendar, where all your events and meetings are scheduled. The layout should be familiar if you've used it before, and it's here where we'll modify privacy settings to keep your agenda secure. Next, pick one of the calendars you wish to set to private. Each calendar is customizable, so it's important to select the one you want to work with. Once you've identified the calendar of interest, you'll see 3 vertical dots next to it. Click on these dots and a small menu will appear. Select Settings and Sharing from the options listed. This will navigate you to the settings page specific to that particular calendar. On this page, scroll down until you find a box labeled Make Available to Public. If this box is checked, it means your calendar is currently visible to everyone. To maintain privacy, simply uncheck this box. By doing so, you're limiting access, ensuring your calendar isn't easily seen by others without your explicit permission. Having completed these settings, now return to your main calendar view. It's essential to know that even with a private calendar, certain individual events might have different visibility settings. To check on specific events, click on one of them. When the event details pop up, look for the edit icon, which usually resembles a small pencil. Click on it. Once you're in the event editing page, look for the default visibility option. Clicking here brings up a drop down where you can select private. Marking an event as private will ensure that even if someone has broader access to your calendar, they won't see the specifics of this event. Finally, before exiting, make sure to click save. This step ensures all changes are applied and your settings are securely in place. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've set your Google Calendar to private, ensuring that only you have full access to your schedule. Feel free to repeat this process for any calendar or event you manage, keeping your appointments as private as you want them to be. Thanks for watching, and remember, your time is yours, keep it that way.